Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is give you guys 5 steps on how you can make money with cryptocurrency. So we're gonna take you by the hand and we're gonna help guide you with these 5 points. So if you can, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts and opinions. What did I miss? What can we implement in the future? Also keep in mind, you guys can head over to the Crypto Moose link tree. In there, you will find links to online courses. You can find links to save money on amazing hardware wallets like the Tangem Ring and more. Keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. Let's start off with number 1, and that is to have cash. So this could be money in your bank account. It could be actual cash. So if you're in the United States or in Canada, there are different ways that you can make money, whether it's your job, you're an entrepreneur or a YouTuber, content creator. Get your hands on some money. So that's going to be the first step. And you don't have to have a lot of money. You guys can start with as little as $5 and you can begin to buy crypto. So we'll get into those steps. But ultimately, if there's a side hustle opportunity, take it. If you have money saved up, perfect. You're ready to go on to the next step. But for a lot of you, you may want to start small. So start with loose change. Start with setting aside $10 a month even, or $100 a month, whatever it may be. But get started, and it doesn't have to be a crazy amount. Now we're getting into step number 2. That's to get a pen and paper. So what you want to do is write down your goals. Again, if you have a goal of investing $100, $50, $1,000, all you want to do right here is set small goals. For example, save $100, or you could write down different cryptos that you've been hearing about and you want to research them. Perfect. Get started, start small. It could be as little as $5 or $10. Step number 3, all you're going to do is begin to list the best cryptocurrencies. I recommend to take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other layer 1s to begin. If you can, please avoid meme coins. These are pump and dumps for the most part, and they're very speculative. So look at the top layer 1s, look at Bitcoin, and then get into different sectors. Speaking of sectors, number 4, we're going to look at the best categories to invest in crypto. Number 1 is digital gold, which is Bitcoin. You also have stable coins, USDT, USDC. On top of that, you have layer 1s. So that is general purpose blockchains where you can build decentralized applications on top of. That would be Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. Other phenomenal sectors is AI, crypto gaming, DeFi. That's where you can do lending and borrowing, etc. Before getting into number 5, this is my current portfolio as of today, April 18th, 2025. Again, invest at your own risk. This is my strategy and this is my current allocation. Number 5, short-term versus long-term thinking. Short-term thinking is getting into a meme, trying to make 1,000x, versus long-term thinking is buying Bitcoin, waiting 5 to 10 years, and doing a 2 to 10x, which is still incredible. Keep in mind, investing in cryptocurrency is speculative, but there are ways you can minimize the downside. Things like investing into Bitcoin in layer 1s is going to give you the most upside while protecting the downside. So what I recommend to do is have a long-term approach. So that's what I do. And nobody knows what the price of Bitcoin is going to be a week from now, a month from now. But we can speculate that over time, we are heading more into a digital world. And it's my opinion that Bitcoin eventually will get to $1 million. All right, guys, so that's all we got for you on this episode of Crypto Moose. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Head over to the link tree. Take an online course. Check out the links that we have for you to save money on hardware wallets and to buy crypto. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.